Okay, student, I am Jinbin. Let's start our classes. Today we are discuss about OOPS concept. It is means object-oriented programming. First, we have to know that who will be developed it. It is developed in 1960. Okay, in 1960, the scientists Ole and Christensen are both created a stimula 67, recognized as the first object-oriented programming. Then we next move to what is that and where the concept are included and used like class, object and inheritance. Then let's okay students, I am Jinbin. Let's start our today object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming consists of many data and behavior. What is data? That is when you go to the market to go buy some things, that thing is known as your data. And what work we have to do on that data is known as the behavior. Okay, it highly modular, reusable, and easier to scale. It means when a program is more long and we divided it into small modules, and that modules part is known as the method or behavior. Object-oriented is consist of, let's start. There are four main principles of OOPS: inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, and abstraction. Okay, what is inheritance? Inheritance means a child is acquire all the properties of her parent's class. It means if we have a class like shape and it has three more other class, that is rectangle, this one rectangle and triangle and a circle. These three class are called the child class of this shape parent class. It means the attribute and behavior that belongs to the shape class all will be accessed by these three classes. Okay. Next we go to the our. Let's go to next. It is encapsulation. Encapsulation means an object internal part restrict directly access require all the interaction to occur through design method. It means in a hospital, if we are look inside, there is an casual part and neurologic part and pathology part. It means every type of system is be collected in one place, like a medicine capsule. All will be inherited in that capsule. So it is known as a encapsulation. Next, polymorphism. Like a child who can be play and drawing and also reading. This means a same person have doing many different things that will be known as the polymorphism. The ability of different classes to share the same method name but execute them in ways specific to the individual class type. Okay. Next, abstraction. Abstraction means it will be hide all the unnecessary access to the user. If we want to switch on the fan, then what will we do? We just plug in the switch. Then the fan will be moved. But did we know how the electricity will be passed and how the fan will move? No. So the abstraction hide all the unnecessary information about electricity to the user. Only necessary things will be available. It means abstraction is ability to apply the method without knowing the details. Let's talk about class and object. Class and object both are necessary in our object-oriented programming. Okay, class is a blueprint which having behavior and property. Behavior means some behavior that will be action on that collecting data. Let's take an example, a class named cat, and it has many type of behavior like start, stop, and backward and forward. Let's take an example of its object. Object is the instance of a class. It means It has rights to assess all the behavior of class. Now, their data type are, it means attribute are color, price, and kilometer. And there are many different type of object we can be created according to the classes. And this one class which have contain only properties and behavior that will be assessed by the this different type of object that will created in different name. Like this red car is known as the Ferrari, and if we take an blue car Maruti, that Maruti also assess all the method and attribute of these car classes. That is an example of class and object. Next class we will be discuss many more. Thanks to watch and share our video.